My name is George with MBA Roofing. Here on a new construction building, had a customer come out, started having roof leaks on a new building, 3 years old. That should not be the case. You should have a new house, no problems. But whenever you have a new build, you really need to have us inspect it just to make sure that the builder did not leave anything behind as far as nails behind, did not properly seal the nails. So rust is starting to peep through on this flashing here. Now that solid piece of flashing is protecting the roof to wall area. Every time it rains, that water is going to get over that flashing onto your roof. But then if it finds a way of nails, that's the point of leak. Catch these little mistakes. Nails where they're not supposed to be. Damaged shingles from other trades. There's a lot of moving parts on a new building. You want to make sure that you inspect it really well. So after you make that big purchase, please have MBA Roofing come inspect your new build.